Hello, everybody. I'm scared. Welcome to Test Your Fate with Nigel Jones. We're gonna see if I live or die today. Don't know. Probably on the bad side. Maybe on the good side. I don't know. Why do I do this stuff? I don't even scooter. This is a dumb idea. Anyways, we bought the boot out here. Young Raymond Warner done blessed me with this custom Poseidon Raymond Warner special.
Dude, my scooter's looking nice.
Anyways, you guys know me and my flips. I like to be upside down for periods of time in my life for some reason. So, today, we're gonna try to double up on that, and I'm scared. Double backflip.
Hi, scared. I'm Gabe.
Double backflip. So, my original plan, because I'm not super comfortable with boosting it over the resi, what we're gonna do is just get comfortable boosting single backies in here, and then do some floaty singles, and then hop into tossing some doubles, and if we're feeling it today, we'll go to the resi.
I think they need a ski lift in here.
That would be phenomenal. Just a string that just goes back, you just grab it.
All right, you ready?
So what do I do first?
Go backy.
Right into it?
Yeah.
I'm doing something different, guys. I'm doing something, everybody's about to be like, oh my God, I can't believe it, finally! Oh my God, I can't believe it, finally. My ears probably look so dumb in this. And I'll buckle it too. He finally done put some protection on his head. It only helps the top of his head. His face is still wide open though. Does it really help that much? I don't know. I just hope that made somebody angry. All right.
Talk to Mowgli down there if you have.
Hey Mo, for sure.
He has another camera.
You. Hey, you might have to get a few on your phone too. All right, so we're gonna start it off with some simple backies. I'm gonna just boost a few, and I guess we just send a double and see what happens.
What are your predictions today, Ooze?
This is my prediction.
Bro.
Mo said baby step it, half boost it.
No, full boost it. You've already done like 10 backflips today.
Don't tell them what. Why are you giving out my secrets?
What? Everyone knows you could backflip.
Okay,
That's why you're here to learn how to double backflip.
All right, he says I got a boostability it. I was gonna start here, but I'll start back here, I guess. I'm scared. Yeehaw, partner.
Dang!
I just gotta send a double.
Nigel, that looks so good.
It's terrifying knowing that I could probably do it.
I feel like he's relatively safe as long as he doesn't like throw the scooter away, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Let's see, double catch. Let's go, too easy.
Uzi, you know I went on a boat this weekend?
You never
No way, you didn't go in the water.
How far do you think that was? Probably right in that crater?
By that blue one over there.
Okay.
All right, Nigel, I think that your backflip looked absolutely phenomenal.
All right, let me do another one.
He's about to backflip. Nigel has finally got the helmet on.
Bro!
Nah, JD.
Dang, let's go. What the hell? Gonna land that double backflip.
It's for my Jimbos and my Jimbettes.
No way!
Oh yeah, you gotta go double hard.
How are you feeling about it?
All right, just gotta make it around both times. It's going like Mach 14, bro.
How are you feeling so far, Nigel?
Feeling good, low-key nervous. I don't know why though.
What's your strategy? You're gonna toss one more and then just send a double and see what happens?
I mean, that's all I can really do at this point. You ready, Mowgli?
No. Hey, Uzi, please wait here.
I got foam in my eye. All right, Mo. Any words of encouragement, words of advice?
I'm not really a scooterer, but I would assume that it's all in the hand and the...
Yeah.
You did a few already, so I know you know how fast you spin. You're going into foam, so if anything happens, it's in foam.
I guess huck it, right?
Did you have a nice conversation with Mowgli down there?
I did.
You ready?
I think so.
What's your strat? You going for it?
Just send it, I guess.
It was an honor meeting you, scared.
I know it's foam, but it's nerve-wracking.
At least the scooter sinks.
I might do one more backflip. So it's just another flip. It's just another flip.
What are the odds you send it this try?
1 in 50.
3, 2, 1, 24.
23.
I was gonna say 23. I was gonna say 23.
Oh, it's so scary. Let me do one more backflip. Let me do one more backflip. If I just yank, it's good.
If you got Pokemon Go, add me, scan the QR code. I'm trying to get some gifts. I'll gift you back. We can do some raids together. Let's go.
I haven't been gifting people, bro.
It's time, I guess. No other options.
What's going through your head right now?
A lot, actually. I feel like it's not gonna be that difficult, but it's still just
Overcoming the first send.
That's really what it is. And I don't scooter, so I think it's kind of crazy for a non-scooter that can't even bar spin to do double backflips. But I don't know, something's wrong with me. Okay.
Here we go.
Flip and hold.
Got it.
That's pretty much it.
You know you can do it. Just you got it. Believe.
Flip and hold.
Oh my God!
You just double backflipped over Wimpod.
I turned!
Oh yeah, hey. You just double backflipped over a Pokemon.
Did I?
Yeah.
Bro, that looked insane from up here.
That felt crazy.
Feel any more confident or just?
Yeah, a little more confident. Now I gotta figure out like everything. I saw the video and I was like super up on my bars. I gotta get to the side and like pull it up.
I think the ultimate goal for this video should just be getting a proper one into the foam pit.
That felt cool though. I was nervous going into it. I'm still nervous right now. This is the most nervous I've been for, besides Bob's house, this is the most nervous I've been. Well, I sent one. Woo! That's like an adrenaline rush like no other, bro. Pull straight. Remember the straight line? Should be golden. Am I still turning?
No, that was good. You turned less than the first one.
Okay, I'm making it around.
That one was definitely better.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You turned less, but you just under-rotated.
Yeah, under-rotated?
Yeah.
So I do need more speed. That's the scary part. I know I'm going into foam, but just like boosting it's scary, man. I give props to like the big air dudes. It's nuts. If you to clear the resi on your board is just insane. How you feeling, Gabe?
Good.
Sweating a little bit. I can't believe I tossed 2 of them now. That's absolutely crazy to me.
You've spun 4 times in 2 attempts.
I've always wanted to do it, but I never actually thought I would actually like try it, especially not on a scooter. Whew. My nerves are flowing, but we're still going. Dude, this is a crazy feeling. Out there, hey, put your mind to anything. If you think you can do it, you can do it. Living proof right now. A little more straight and just make it around. Holy!
Wow!
I landed like on it! I'm getting more comfortable, gang. This is like an unreal feeling right now. This is unreal. Dude, this is crazy. Gabe, I feel different right now.
You look different.
I feel different. He is Hims in his final form.
I'm gonna go film a few from down there, all right?
Okay.
I wanna
that's
see it
fine.
up close. Are you getting more comfortable though? That's the question.
Slowly. I'm questioning resi right now. This might be a to be continued, but I at least wanna like...
We'll go with this video until you're happy with the one that you land.
Okay, which I was explaining to them. On that last one, I landed upright, but I was like over, and I feel like if I would've actually went in the resi, I would've just smacked. I wanna land like, lean back almost. Not back, but like over. So that's the goal. I think I just gotta tuck it harder on that second rotation. Never in my life did I actually think I would toss double flips.
Let me see this thing up close, bro.
And here we are.
Let me see
Tossing
this thing
double
up
flips.
close. What the heck was that? That was not a double
was so
backflip, but
bad.
that was crazy looking.
That was so bad. I'm gonna do a few more for sure.
Yeah, I don't think you should
know if
end
I'm
on
gonna
that
do
one.
it to resi today. I wanna do a few more so that I can figure out why I'm pulling to the right. I just gotta yoink, yoink. Other than that though, like I'm feeling pretty good about this.
You're looking even better about this.
I'm trying to make this one the one that I'm happy with.
All right, let's see it. Hey, don't steal my angle. Oh! Oh!
That was perfect!
Wow! That was the one. Are you shook, Mo?
The way he landed perfectly is insane.
That was really good. Uzi, did you film that in slow-mo?
I filmed it in cinematic. Just kidding.
He's tucked? Dude. He turned a tiny bit, but he kind of brought it back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you were still a little over the handlebar, not in like a way that's like gonna kill you. That was insane. Well, how much money to double backflip on a scooter?
Double, bruh.
Dang, Nigel, that was insane, dude.
Dude, that one, I feel so good about that one.
The adrenaline come down about to hit different. That was the one you're happy with?
I should probably spend an entire day in there.
Yeah,
The way he landed was insane.
it was. Are you
I
proud?
can't believe that happened.
Are you a proud dad?
I'm like still trying to process how real that was.
Yeah. I'm not saying you're his dad. I'm just saying you are a dad that is proud, right?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared.
Were you?
I don't know what someone's first double backflip looks like.
I know. I always gauge the danger of a video on what I think Ricky would react to it like.
Dude, I'm just stoked that like I got to be able to toss that. I've always wanted to. I've always been like, yeah, I'm gonna toss it. But honestly, in my head, like in the back of my head, I'm like, there's no way like I would toss it. Which we did it on the rollerblades last time we were here. We didn't do it on the video. I just kind of tossed it to see how we could do it. I'm stoked. The road to double flip on the resi, and then hopefully after resi, get it somewhere solid. That's the goal, really. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave some encouragement down below. Shout out to all action sport. No matter what you're doing, get out there and do it. Appreciate you guys watching. There's some videos to my left, your right. Check them out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. I'm gonna toss some more double backies by myself. You guys have a good one.
I suck at filming.